Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and this is week 10 in the 21 Stay Still Christmas Ornament series. This week we're turning plain glass balls into something very different. We're glittering, and all the glitter's on the inside. You can leave them plain, you can do them in colors, or you can bling them out. And if you don't want to bling them, you can shabby chic them. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. What you need is some clear glass ornaments, whatever size you have. And I know they're available at Walmart right now. You need Glitterit. I got this at Walmart. It's available at most craft stores. I know a lot of people use floor wax. I know this doesn't yellow. I'm not sure about the floor wax, so I always use the Glitterit. And you need glitter. My absolute favorite thing to play with. Okay. The first thing you're going to do is open up your ornaments and put the Glitterit in it. I find it works easier if you take the lid off the Glitterit, and you just want to pour a little bit in there. And then swirl it around the inside. And make sure it gets all the way inside, because wherever this is where your glitter is going to stick. Okay, you want to pour it back in. And you're going to let that drain for about 5 seconds. Now I have a little funnel. If you don't have a funnel, you can use paper or whatever. I'm setting this right back down into the container so it makes it easy to work with. And I'm going to use Recollections. It's extra fine glitter. And this is the holographic. I don't know if you can see all the different rainbow colors that's in it. And you just pour that in. And you want to swirl it. And you can see the way the glitter is sticking to the Glitterit. And sometimes if you shake it, it gets better coverage. You just want to shake your excess back in. Oops, sorry. I can see a little spot here that's not completely covered, so I'm just going to tap the glitter that's left in there. And that's going to get set aside for about a half an hour or so until it dries. And then you can put the lid back on. I did find out a long time ago that if you gently pry this open a little tiny bit, it makes it a whole lot easier to get it back on. And that's one almost done. And this one I did in the ultrafine white. What I really like about this is this one always looks like a snowball to me. And there's red for the more traditional colors. What about a little pink for the shabby chic? And I just cleaned the funnel out using a cotton swab so that we didn't get a bunch of red in with the pink. The nice thing about doing these ornaments this way is you get the look of glitter, but there's nothing on the outside. So we're making me happy and we're making the hobby happy. You can barely tell that that's pink until you get up close. And this year, since I seem to be obsessed with the lighter shades of blue, and most of this glitter I got from Walmart and Michaels. Michaels always seems to have really good sales on their recollections. And if not, you can always use a coupon. And there's a nice light blue. And I think for the last one, I'm going to try this tinsel glitter that I used in some ornaments earlier in this series. Looks like I need a little more in there. Guess it's because it has so much texture. I like that. That's definitely different. Okay, now we're just gonna wait for them to dry. Okay, after they've been drying for about an hour, you can put the tops back on, and you can leave it like that, or you can decorate them. Okay, the red one, I just glued on the Dollar Tree snowflake stickers, since I'm absolutely obsessed with them. The tinsel, it didn't have enough shine. I added some mesh bling and some of my iridescent rhinestones. The pink one, pink is very girly to me, and it's also very shabby chic. So I just used pink lace seam binding as a hanger, and I put some pink lace seam binding in a bow, and I put a ribbon rose and some pearls, and I made it shabby chic without going overboard. The blue one I left plain. The iridescent holographic one I left plain, and I left the white one plain. You can decorate these any way you want. You can use any colored glitter to turn it into what you need for your tree this year. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my ornaments. And happy creating, everyone.